audio with this. It's recording.
Okay.
You're recording and I'm recording?
Want me to push that or something?
No, it's recording.
Okay.
Right, here we are.
Here we are.
Clack.
Back.
This is Brindir.
So, where were we? We were last in Rocamadour, talking about our fun party and jam session that we had afterwards, and the boat ride, and all the blah blah of that. And through Booking.com, and it was a campground with a bungalow.
Yes, it kind of made itself seem like it was a glamping a little bit.
It looked like it would be a glamping experience.
Really cool.
So it wasn't bad after spending 2 hours trying to find this place, going through all kinds of woods and whatnot. So we get to Glamat, and we can't figure it out. And thank God Mark saw a tourist center. And so I'm the designated French speaker. I went in and found out, and they called the campground.
Gave
specific directions, and it was only about a kilometer and a half from there. So we go in the campground, and it's all tents, and we're going, are we?
This is really weird.
But thank God, because we called the lady twice, so she was like the campground hostess, and she was really nice. She has a chihuahua and everything. She was chasing our car.
Waving at us with a chihuahua.
Yeah. So she showed us where we were, and it was... How would you describe it? Well, you'll see it in the video.
Back, it had its own space in the back, like of an orchard, and it
was like a caravan.
And it was a caravan, but it was on wheels, like a circus caravan. That you would drag either with a horse or a car. This you would drag with a truck.
In the old days, it looked like a horse and wagon type.
So it was curved and wooden, and just had a queen.
It had a bed only
not a
inside.
Queen side, just like double bed.
A double bed inside.
That's all it had.
Yeah. And everything else, there was a
So it was just literally just camping.
Yeah, but it was great. It was
camping
beautiful.
Where you didn't have to bring your own tent and sleeping bag.
It kept us warm. I always have my electric blanket anyway, so that's good. But
it was really fun.
It was fun. It was really fun.
We'd set up the RAV4 so that the back was open. We set up our sport umbrella so that had the covering and the camping table. We had our camping set up.
And I went around and did video of the other campers who were actually in tents. We were the only one, or maybe there might have been another bungalow somewhere. I don't know.
That's the only one I saw.
I know.
We were right on the edge of a cranberry orchard.
A cranberry orchard with a couple of mules who visited us.
Yeah, the mules visited us. At some point we had picked up a chicken and we were eating
chicken. We had chicken. The mules we're eating a lot of just what we call Rodriguez food in Spain. It's stuff when you're on the road or when you're on your own. Really good baguettes with really good things to put in. Just wanted to eat and chill and enjoy it. It was actually really fun after 2.5 hours of craziness, just trying to find something that was literally 10 minutes away from.
Okay.
¿Traigo un plato para compartir?
Sí, por favor. Sí, pa.
Y otra cerveza, por favor.
Sin alcohol.
Tostada sin alcohol.
Vale. Okay.
That's really good.
What's all this? What's on here?
Butifarra.
Romanesco sauce.
You're a Romanesco sauce. Oh, you mean these things?
Yeah. It's all good.
It's a special mustard sauce that I asked them to put on just
for me, with anchovies and
mustard.
You can do this part.
I know. So we only had one night in that camp, so we had to book. This is the second night we had to book. Phil? I don't know. No, this was one I booked. The Voyageurs.
Hotel de Voyageurs. Laying in her grave at how little grace I have, considering all the upbringing. Hotel Voyageurs.
So we couldn't get there at 5. We called him. He was very strict about it.
So we stayed at that campground for the day.
Below Rocamadour.
Yeah.
There was a parking lot. It wasn't a campground. Well, we turned it into a campground.
Yeah.
by finding our own spot and pulling out all our camping stuff.
Yeah. We bought some really good food at the outdoor market.
Yeah, takeout food.
En Gramat.
Perfecta.
Gracias.
Gracias. Well, that was really fun too.
Yeah.
Chilling out on these cars with little like
All these people
Woodstock
would park
parking lot
there,
or something.
and they would go wherever they go, families and stuff. I don't know if they're walking to Rocamadour. We don't know. But we just
right, some kind
found
of
the
trail.
great spot and just kind of put our elbows out and took up the whole corner. And I had a little stream, and it was perfect. The dogs had fun. We had fun. It was, had to kill some time.
That's another thing Mona Lee is teaching me how to do is claim space. I don't care what you think. This is ours.
Yeah. So you put your table here,
No,
put your chair there.
just spread out.
Nobody can park next to you. Period.
Very good. Oh yeah. So that was really fun, and then we ate lunch and got back in the car to get to
La Gare in La Gare,
Lagare.
which is in Rocamadour, just slightly above it, and it was called Hotel de Voyageur, and it's essentially for trekkers. There's a lot of trekking, I think. That's what we
And
concluded.
it's right on a trekking trail.
Yeah.
Once I looked at it. So we got there, and the guy is so literal about it. Oh, checking in at 5
Yeah, we got
o'clock.
there like at 3:30 or 4.
Yeah, about 4. The hotel's just closed up, just locked up. But the guy's inside
Playing the piano
playing piano or whatever.
in his air-conditioned room. And there's all
And there's
these
all these people
people
outside in front of
me.
the hotel, sitting in the hot sun, no umbrellas.
No umbrellas. They're just like,
They've been hiking,
there's no,
and he's just going ding, ding,
he's
ding.
just playing the piano. Badly.
And then 5 o'clock sharp, it comes out, big tall guy.
Yeah.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. Welcome into the air conditioning area, but your room is not.
Oh, God, that's the hottest room.
The hottest room, the worst.
Jesus.
Tiny. Again, but we're okay. We can do with tiny. We don't mind. We're on the road. It's
You
all
did a
part
whole
of it.
tour of the room so we can show them that.
Yeah, I did that, yeah.
So they can see exactly what it was.
We thought there was no bathroom at first, and that we were going to have to share with other people, but I found the bathroom. It was-
It's like a secret door. 'Cause- Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. So the next morning, from there, because the whole goal of staying in that area was to film Rocamadour with the drone.
But
I've told this story so many times in Spanish.
in Spanish, you have to tell it good
I think
English.
it's
Though.
better. I don't know how to spell it good in English. Y me fui allí en el coche para filmar. ¿Sabes qué es? Rocamadour es una ciudad que está puesto en la montaña, así, un pueblo con torres y todo, está súper bonito, y valle con río, y yo estuve en el otro lado del valle. Aquí hay montaña aquí. Quería filmar todo esto. Pues he parado en la carretera de la montaña, en este lado había un espacio aquí, y he hecho mi dron aquí para prepararlo, y he subido para filmarlo así.
¿Cómo que has subido?
El
dron
sí.
subió.
Y estaba así filmándolo. Yo estaba mirando a la pantalla aquí para, mira, está chulo para filmar la ciudad, pero he olvidado que había una montaña atrás de mí, aquí a mi espalda.
Ay.
Y el dron estaba volando así atrás de mí. Y de repente, pues, mira, eso es chulo. Y ¡ca! En un árbol. Encima de un árbol, estaba así, encima de un árbol, y he hecho, tengo que girarlo, no sé, estaba girándolo, y de repente ha caído un poco así, y por fin al suelo, podría verlo en el suelo, pero está en la montaña detrás de mí. Estaba, joder, he perdido mi dron. Cierto que está perdido.
Esta vez cierto.
Sí, está cierto que está en un sitio que no puedo encontrarlo para nada, porque es una montaña así, atrás de mí y vaya aquí. Y pues he recordado que adentro de mi app de drone hay un ventaja, un feature que se llama Find My Drone, encontrar mi drone. Pues he buscado por YouTube para ver un tutorial para aprender cómo hacerlo rápidamente. Bueno, hoy tengo que hacer eso. Y he puesto esto, Find My Drone, y había en mi pantalla dos puntos.
Dos puntos.
Uno fue yo y el otro fue el drone. Pues y cuando movió así, cuando estoy moviendo así, puedo, mira, me voy ahí, estoy acercando el otro punto. Bueno, estaba haciendo así por debajo de la montaña, así, bueno, está ahí.
Y yo en el hotel, no sabía nada.
Tengo que subir esta montaña para verlo. Pues me fui al coche para cambiar mis zapatos. Bueno, porque tenía chanclas, o he puesto mis hiking boots. Y he subido directamente a la montaña.
No.
Sí.
¿En serio? ¿Pero cómo era la
inclinación? Estaba así. Sí,
You
con
thought
árboles.
crazy and you were alone.
Sí.
Solo, completamente solo.
If he fell?
Loco. Yo estaba pensando, esto es súper peligroso.
Sí, Mark, sí.
Mira ella.
Sí, exactamente,
Sí,
que me caí en la
súper
montaña.
peligroso.
Hostia.
Pues tienes que hacerlo con mucho cuidado. Pero la montaña era de slate, ¿cómo se llama? Estas rocas que están muy deslizadas.
Como casi de
Con
pizarra.
piedras y
No, pero era muy como...
deslizantes.
Sí,
Deslizante,
deslizante.
Y con árboles podridos. Cuando lo coges, así, pero estaba subiendo poco, y mirando a mi pantalla al mismo tiempo, y he subido, y he tomado rodaje desde allí, porque era fenomenal, porque había globos pasando.
¿En serio?
Sí, era increíble.
¿Y no grabaste tus últimas palabras?
Sí.
Por si acaso.
Sí, pero...
Te quiero, cariño, por si acaso, que no me
Muchas
ves.
gracias por todos los años. Y he subido hasta un cliff.
Acantilado.
Sí,
Acantilado.
y no podría subir más. Y estaba así, ¿dónde está? Espero que no está ahí. Y Gerardo está, está debajo de mí, enfrente de mí. Y he bajado muy poco a poco y había un núcleo de como 8 árboles, así. Yo estaba, puede ser, está ahí, he buscado alrededor. Y mi dron está ahí en el suelo, patas de arriba, con las luces intermitentes. Pobrecito.
So that was quite a story.
So that was the biggest adventure for me.
Live
was
to tell.
climbing the mountain, and I was so sore afterwards. Oh my god! When my testicles was swollen,
Oh yeah, your big ball.
I had trouble sitting down. I don't know what was going on. Back was hurting.
Arm was driving his arm.
My arm's passing out. Nerve, got a nerve just damage or something.
All the stuff it's like we're getting a little old, but we still got it. This is afterwards you feel it.
Yeah.
Basically what it boils down to.
Yeah. That was tough. It was really, really, really fun though.
Yeah.
Unbelievably fun.
No, for you it was like you actually feel like it was the happiest moment.
Yeah, no,
being
for
lost.
me, just sitting there being lost, I just closed my eyes and instead of panicking or freaking out, I just said, I just love this, like, to myself. This is great. I was in a country, I was lost. I just climbed a mountain. I was in my car, lost. I didn't know the language. I couldn't just ask somebody how to get somewhere. I didn't know how to speak French. So I just completely just me lost somewhere in the world. And I just felt really good.
Especially because you did find your way home.
Yeah.
See, this is a really good pizza. One pizza is perfect for two people.
Right. So Rocamadour, so we finished that, and that same morning, we drove to Albi.
Is Albi next?
Yeah.
Okay.
After we did that.
Okay, I was thinking it was something else.
Uh-uh.
No more misadventures, thank God.